Hello guys, this is me once again. Now last time I asked you how to open a cat's sprinkler table salt. Now I managed to find my one way. You first open the can. In this video I'll tell you how to do it. How to open. You take one scale, okay, steel scale, and did you see the end? It is sharp, and you take a blade, this normal blade. Now first you open the can. I need two hands. Now after you open this using this scale, you just have to apply little pressure and open it. Open from the side. Let me show you. After you open it using the blade, there is line. You just have to do it over the line 2 times. 1 time, 2 times, and then you get this. See? It's a perfect edge. And you put the cover back.